One. Kieran's opening a present from Jacob. Woohoo!
Great, now you use my real name, so I can't post this on my Autism Roller Trip channel.
Okay, skip that. That's not her name.
No, too late. Man, he really taped this shut.
Did he tape it or did UPS? or Amazon?
He sent it.
Okay.
So I assume he taped it.
All right. Good job on the tape. Well,
I haven't opened it yet.
getting closer. Yay.
Yep.
Another piece of tape. The other side.
I know, but I gotta take off this piece of tape.
Well, there's not going to be no box left, that's for sure. Whoa, hey, it's getting there. And it's a monkey on a bicycle.
No, it's not.
It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
No.
It's a
It's a sweater.
a sweater. Ooh, something else.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's on it? What's on it? Oh, I see pictures. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
See?
Oh, it's a Donald Ducky. Isn't
Yeah.
that cute? Aw.
Alright, and then we got a Build the Unicorn. Build a 12-inch tall unicorn.
Okay, you can build a unicorn. That's exciting.
Yeah.
I've never built one of them before.
I have.
Agent J, my fuzzy wuzzy. He just popped up here.
Yeah, what'd he say?
I just read it to you.
Oh. Well,
Oh, never
I
mind.
can't see it.
She's intently looking at the unicorn building book.
Yeah, how do I open
I don't know. Let's not just tear it apart. Let's carefully do whatever it needs.
Okay.
Let me see.
Okay.
I don't want you to... Here, you hold that.
Thanks, babe.